The global roof coatings market size was $2,041.56 million in 2021 and is expected to register a revenue CAGR of 4.79% during the forecast period, says Reports and Data. Major factors driving market revenue growth include rising demand for preservation and extension of the service life of roofing systems for new construction and existing rooftop coverings such as built-up roofs, metal, modified bitumen, single-ply membranes, and spray polyurethane foam. In addition, utilization of rooftop coating can assist to reduce energy expenditures connected with a structure. Some of the highly reflecting white coatings in the industry may also be utilized to dramatically lower the temperature of membrane, resulting in enhanced long-term system performance. Roof coating is anticipated to be one of the most important components of roofing system that may be used to reduce global energy expenditures.